Hey everyone, it's me, it's a Body Gamer, and today we are gonna do an unboxing Beyblade. So here's the front. See Anubis, and it cost me $4. For the system, and a light launcher too, made by Repeti. Mercury Anubis 85XF. You can see he's battling with Kronos. For the metal wheel bit, here's about the side with the fighting skills, and another one. And here's the back. You got the face, the 4D metal wheel, and the metal wheel, the core, and the 4D bottom. I don't know if you guys can see properly. This is down there, and yeah, let's get an unboxing. My trusty knife. I don't know why. So it's gonna cut. Or we can do this. Oh, never mind. Just thinking about doing that, but nope. They're not cut properly. Not nice. There we go. Here, and here's Anubis. Alright guys. The light launcher too. So that guy's gonna pause for a while. And I'm back guys. So here are the parts. First we have the light launcher, right spin, and the string, the red cord. I'll put this to the side. And here's Anubis. So we're gonna take them back. And it's gonna rain. I don't know why. So here we have Anubis. You know me, I like to keep my stuff properly when I unbox. So just put that to the side. The tool, the parts, stickers, so over there guys, that's my computer. And here are the stuff. So first we have Anubis. Not sure if you guys can see, it's kind of blurry. And he's tattooed. Here we have the metal wheel or the core, the clear wheel, spin track, and the bottom, which is sharp. So we're gonna assemble, and plus the tool, classic black tool, and we're gonna assemble them now. And yeah, I'll put this together. So here we have Anubis, or Mercury Anubis 85XF, and we're gonna put stickers. Okay guys, just kidding. I don't always put my stickers. I don't know why, I'm lousy or what. I don't know. But yeah, here it is. The light launcher and some extra parts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video and subscribe. Oh yeah, let's try a test spin on this baby. So we're gonna push this thing in. Alright guys. So it looks pretty nice. Oh yeah guys, and I have another one. If you don't know, I have another Anubis. Let me show you guys for. And we're back guys, you can see the difference, the old and the new. You can see damage, and here's the bottom. You see different color. And this is black and this is light black. You see? And this has stickers and this doesn't have. So I'm gonna show you. Oops, sorry guys. How it looks like. Hello guys. Let's see these two Anubis fight. Take my random stadium. Put this there. And we're gonna start a fight. Just ignore that. So let's start. Versus, you can see how much difference. And the winner, Anubis, the new one versus the old one. Okay, see. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Peace.